So hi guys, let me teach you how to design a stunning birthday flyer using Pixellab. So here is the interface of the app, as you already know. So I'll go to size here. I'll change this to 1024. Yeah, I will be using this camera. So let me turn this to white for easy. So let me go to my gallery and then import the background. So I will be using this background. Let me expand it. And then I will go to my gallery. Then I will import the celebrant. The first one is this. Sorry. Yeah, here is the first image. Yeah, I will leave it toward this direction. Then I will go with and import the second image here. Yeah, this is the second image. So if you look at the first image, is more brighter, so I can go to saturation, and then I can go to this color filter and then increase the saturation a little bit. Let's say for 3 is okay. Let me see whether we can increase this. Yeah. So let's go with this. So let me go to my gallery again and then import the other image, which is this. Sorry, not this one. So the other image is actually this. Yeah. So I'll just fix it to this direction. Let me increase the size. Yeah, this is perfect. Then I will go to my phone gallery again, and then I will. So I've added this the background with PSCC. If you don't know how to fetch this, you can see this axis is transparent. Hey, this point is actually transparent. So if you don't know how to make this, I'll leave a link on the description below so that you can actually go and learn. Alright, let me go with this, expand it. Yeah. So let me expand it a little bit. Yeah, sure. There we go. So I'll drag this to the back side of this. Yeah. And then it just seems like, let me just decrease the size of the images. No, not this one. So let me log the layer of this. Touch the back one. Decrease the size. Why now? I didn't have to touch this one too. So let me log it also. So let me decrease the size. And I will put it like this. So for the back one here, let me decrease the size to. Yeah. It's actually a fine gesture. Yeah, so this is where we will go. So for the first one, I need to also increase the color filter. Yeah, I need to increase the saturation. Yeah, let me leave it at 5. It seems okay. So let me log these layers up. Sharp. Here we go. So I will be using this image of a flower. Flower in Jahosawa. We often call it flower. We don't know how to do pronunciation. Sometimes English, although English is not. So I will use the color filter. I'm not saying that Hausa don't know that. Go and meet a Hausa lady. You will not see this will be English. But for guys, I don't think so. So I will go with this. Let me drop it through this axis and see whether it can work. Yeah. Yeah. After now, I'm just thinking the color filter is somehow. Yeah. Should we go with this? Yeah. Let me reduce the opacity and say, sure, let's go with this. So the next thing that I will do, I will go to my gallery, import something. So let me just briefly go into my gallery. So I'll import this. Yeah, you see this? I'll import this. Okay, what I will do now is, let me expand this. I need it to full everywhere. Okay, what will happen now is will go to erase color. I will totally erase the color, so you can actually see the effect. So I want to create an effect with this. You can actually see how it works. So I will go to color filter and then I will change it to this color. Yeah. Increase, yes. This seems to be good. So what I will do is I will drag it to the back side of the background. So you can actually see the effect here. Yeah, you can actually see the effect on the background. So I may copy it and then I will fix it toward here. Let me do something and see whether it can work. We may delete it. And I say at the back side of this. No, I don't want it to be that. So let me try. It seems like we will not work with that. Let me see this. Okay. Alright. Alright, let's proceed. This is looking somehow. Seems like this flower no goes with the arrow. I should really leave it. Okay, now they're telling me to leave it. Let me leave it. Alright, but let me fix it. The opposite there. So the name of the girl is Subscribe. Yeah, subscribe. Yeah, subscribe. Her name is Becky. So I'll drag it here. I'll increase the size here. Increase the size. We will change font too. I'll go for a particular font. I'll go for this font. Yeah. Becky in a big name, sure. Let me go for gradient color. So how I pick the gradient color, you can see it here. You can see the color code. Yeah. Okay, you can see the color code here. You can see it there. And then for the brighter parts, you can see it here. Sorry. You can see the color code here. Alright. If you want to do the design, you can actually do that. So here we go. So it should be Becky. So I'll go to stroke and then I'll stroke it like this. It will go with white. Next thing is, I see I should put shadow. Yeah. Shadow. Yeah. It's looking good. So I'll go to text and then write the birthday wishes. I've already copied it. I just want it to paste. So for the birthday wishes, I will go with Nature Regular, a very good font that I love to put. It's just like Roman, New Times Roman fonts on MS Word. Yeah. So the size, I'll just increase the size to this. This looks good, but let me just do like this and then go to aligning. I'll just align it like this. So I want you guys to follow. That is why I'm just doing it as if we are interacting. Yeah. Let's just leave it like this. Well. This is good. So I may decide to put I may decide to put this. It depends on how you want it to be. So for this, I'll go with this color. I'll just put it out there. Then I supposed to increase the size, the spacing. Supposed to increase the spacing. Let me just leave it to white as a black, sorry. Yeah, let me just go with this. So I'll copy this, fix it toward this direction. Yeah, copy it again and then turn it toward this side. Yeah, I'm supposed to like this line. So I will just rotate it like this, and then I want this just like this. Yeah, so for this, let me just do a kind of yeah, it's alright. It's alright. So I may decide to leave it like this, but I want to do something. So I want to put happy birthday at the top. So let me write subscribe. If you don't subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do so. So let me write happy birthday. Yeah. I just turn it here. What I will do now is, I'm using it regular, right? Let me check. Yeah, not regular. So what I will do, I will increase the spacing. Let me just put this spacing to be 100. Yeah, 100. And now decrease the size. Yep. Let me decrease the size. So here we go with this. Alright, here we go. Here we go. So I may decide to actually put something. So let me just go to my gallery. So here is it. So you know, seeing our queen. So I supposed to put this crown to her. So let me decrease the size and fix it to here. Yeah. So we haven't put that. So I may just put this like this, like this, like this. Then I'll make it black. So what I will do now is I will reduce the opacity. Okay, let me make it. Let me just change the color to this. So I will drag it to the back side of the lady. I'm just going to create something. Yeah. So I'll put the date there. Let me just put the date. Is it 0509? Yeah. So I will make the tint to be white, and then for the font, let me choose this font we initially use. So I will just drag it to there. Yep. So I'll drag. Sorry. I'll drag it to the back side of the diary. So for easy, so let me just reduce the size. Yeah, this is good. This is good. But I'm just feeling like to delete this. And let me decrease this. So here we go. I will actually save my work. Yeah. So you can actually go and create some effects using Pixart, and then Lightroom. So for those of you who watch my tutorial, you actually know I usually enhance my design with Lightroom, and then some effects with Pixart. So thank you very much for your time. Do have a nice day. Please, if you didn't subscribe to my YouTube channel, please endeavor to do so that we can go together. Thank you. See you on the next tutorial. Thank you.